Hello, children. How are you all? I, Ankita Snehi, your science teacher. Today, children, we have learned chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is Living and Non Living Things. Children, in this chapter, we have learnt about living things, non living things, natural things, and man made things. So, children, today we are going to do our objective type questions. So, let's start. In this chapter, children, there are only objective type questions. As you can see, in this chapter, children, there are only objective type questions. So, we will start. Okay. So, here we are going to start with chapter 1. First of all, we will write chapter 1. And in the second line, we will start with the name of the chapter, that is living and non living things. Now, first of all, we will write some words that we have to learn. Number A, breathe. B, taller. C, bigger. D, lapping. E, reproduce. F, natural. G, man made. Now, here we are going to start with our objective type questions. Objective type questions means MCQ. Number A. Encircle the correct answer. Number 1. Which one can breathe? A. Mobile phones. B. Shoes. C. Duck. D. Ball. So answer is number C. Duck. So children, circle answer C. Now let's proceed to our second question, that is, which is a natural thing? A. Book. B. Telephone. C. Pen. D. Rock. Question is, which is a natural thing? So answer would be D. Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Now let's start with third number question. Which is a non-living thing? A. Brush. B. Spider. C. Ant. D. Bird. So answer is A. Brush. Now question 4. Answer 4. Which is not a natural thing? A. Star. B. Cloud. C. Water. D. Paper. Answer is D. Paper. Question 5. Which one can move on its own? Train, snake, cycle, car. Answer is B. Snake. Now let's proceed to the second question. Write T for true and F for false. Number A. A dog is a non-living thing. Answer would be false. B. Plants can move from one place to another. Answer would be false. C. Eraser and pencil are man-made things. True. D. Table and chair are not natural thing. True. Number 5. Man-made things eat food. False. Next question is, match the following. You can see, children, Number A is living thing. Answer would be cow. Man-made thing. Answer is laptop. Natural non-living thing. Answer is moon. Now let's move to the next question. Give two examples of A. Non-living things in your classroom. So answer is books, pencils. Number B. Natural things near your house. Trees, animals. So your homework will be draw two natural and two man-made things. Your second homework is draw two living and two non-living things. So children, kindly do all these questions in your science copy and do the homework. Draw the picture in interleaf. That means your science copy would have one side white sheet and one side lines. So you will draw the picture in the white sheet. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.